Before shooting a basketball, make sure that both of your feet are pointing towards the hoop. Your feet should be about shoulder length width apart. Check where your hands are on the ball. Your right hand should be towards the back of the ball underneath, and your left hand should be resting on the side, helping to hold the ball in place. If you are left-handed, the same idea applies, but you will use your left hand to shoot and your right hand to support the ball. If you're within 5 feet of the hoop, use the square on the backboard to shoot the ball. If you're directly in front of the hoop, use the middle of the square to aim. If you are on the side of the hoop, use the top corner of the square that's closest to you. If you are not within 5 feet of the hoop, you should aim for the back of the rim. Now you are ready to shoot the ball. As you shoot, remember 2 things. First, use your legs to give your shot more power. After you release the ball, your shooting hand should follow through straight to the hoop. If it's off to one side or the other, your ball will not land in the hoop.